Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhajit here, and in this video I'll show you realistic portrait sketch of Subhas Chandra Bose. Today we are celebrating the birthday of Netaji, the great patriot, leader and a freedom fighter. And this video is a tribute to him from my side. I hope you will like this, so enjoy the video. I have already uploaded one basic sketching tutorial before on this portrait. We'll be uploading few more tutorials describing all the parts individually step by step. So just stay connected and keep watching. Let me tell you the material I have used here. To make this portrait, I have mainly used simple 1 HP graphite pencil, and along with that, for the shading part, I have used charcoal pencil, charcoal powder and some of the charcoal sticks. For erasing purpose, I have chosen kneaded eraser, gum eraser and pencil eraser. And for the blending, I have mainly used my own made DIY blending stump and one synthetic flat brush. If you are interested to know more, you can check out the previous part of this portrait. Over there I have described the entire sketching process properly. Link of this video is given below in the description box. As you can see here, I have also applied little bit of shading in darker area so that I can understand the dark part at the time of shading with charcoal. Though it's important to remove all those graphite before we apply charcoal onto it. Otherwise, it will not stuck onto the paper surface and will not able to achieve the darker value. I prefer to start with the eyes first always, so that I can understand whether we are going into the right way or not. Because I think the eye is the most important part in the entire portrait, and we can communicate with our subject with the eyes only. I always increase the depth gradually by applying little bit of shading all the time. Notice carefully that the cornea is not totally dark at all. Some of the portion is also light, so we need to deal it carefully if I want to make a realistic effect. And reflection is also there, means if there have any light source in front of you, then that will be reflected onto your eye, because eye is glossy in nature. So if you want to make any realistic effect, you need to work on all this detail individually. And don't forget to highlight the tear bag also below the eye, because it will also highlight your eye portion properly. And whenever you are shading the skin texture, then take care of the transition very carefully, because skin is not smooth totally. Some of the portion will be light and other part would be dark, and skin patches would be also there, might be. So just take care of all this thing whenever you will be applying the shading on the skin. Here I have only used the graphite powder to mark this dark part of the cheek. And to increase the depth, sometimes I have also used charcoal pencil. I start the nose with nostril so that I can highlight the dark first, and then I gradually shift the tone so that we can make the curvature of the nose. To make the highlight of lips, I have just left the white paper surface and just darken the other part around it. Light skin tone, I have applied a thin layer of charcoal powder first with the help of synthetic brush, and then if we need to tone it down, then we will be removing some charcoal with the help of kneaded eraser from some portion. In case of here, I have used the same method. I have marked this portion by the charcoal powder first, and then to achieve darker tone, I have used soft charcoal pencil. As you can see here, I am redefining the skin value properly so that we can make the illusion of 3D effect. To make appropriate 3D effect, a proper tonal difference is highly required. It means the darker part would be dark enough and the lighter part would be light enough. And also need to maintain the transition very lightly, as we don't have any sharp edge in our forehead. Soft transition is required for the neck also because it is also rounded in nature. I hope you are enjoying this video. If you really find it useful, then share it with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, and wherever you like. If you like, you can also follow me on Instagram. The link is given below in the description. And if you want to share your sketch with me, then tag me there. Working with ear is also a little bit of tricky because we have so many folds over there, and all those folds will create some shadows and at the same time some highlights. If you want to make a realistic effect, you also need to follow the same. Before start shading clothes, I redefine all the crease line again so that we can understand at the time of detailing. To make the pattern in the cloth, I have used mainly hard charcoal pencil, and using that I have made some wrinkles and some dots over there. Here color of the cloth is totally light, still I have to apply a little bit of shading, otherwise it will look totally flat and will not make 3D effect. If you really like this video, then make a big thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe and the bell icon not to miss my upcoming videos. If you have any query, any suggestion or any other request, please comment below. We'll try to answer all of those. We'll come back soon with another video. Till then, just stay connected. Thanks for watching.